Welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss a software. This is MovieReelAI. This is the world first Gen AI app, creates AI beyond videos. With MovieReelAI, you can transform your idea into viral video content, create multiple income streams, choose from proven money-making your style, add professional effect and transition, export ready-to-profit videos, and you can transport any script, high-converting video, 3D cartoon, film, noir, anime, cinematic, scalable, standard. This is a demo video. Please.
There are thousands of marketers, content creators, freelancers, people like you and me making thousands of dollars every single week simply by creating and selling AI visualized videos online. Now imagine if you could create AI generated videos and short movies in minutes without hiring actors, video editors, complex software, without spending weeks learning animation, without needing expensive production equipment, and without wasting time on manual editing. On this February 25th at 10 a.m. Eastern, I'm hosting a live webinar training where I'll show you exactly how to do this using AI so you can create Hollywood style videos from single text prompt or just an idea. Sell high quality videos to businesses for thousands per project. Launch faceless YouTube channel and monetize with AI content. Dominate TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook with viral AI video and automate video creation for your marketing and online businesses. And of course, bonus, everyone who attends will stand a chance to win a free copy of my new software, MovieReelAI. Enter your name and email on this page below and reserve your seat for the exclusive live reveal webinar or movie reveal on February 25th at 10 a.m. Eastern. I'll see you live on the training.
MovieReelAI, you can launch profitable faceless YouTube channel, buy short form content, turn simple ideas into passive income, join the by video revolution. What you can create with MovieReelAI: explainer videos, product demonstrations, social media ad, brand story, educational content, YouTube videos, sales presentation, realistic visualization, course content, work with e-commerce store, corrupted training, marketing, campaign, pitch deck animation, character animation, storytelling video, and so much more. How does MovieReelAI work? You can work for just 4 simple steps. Step 1: enter your script or story. Choose your style. Step 3: customize your scenes, and then step 4: export and profit this. Within a matter of minutes, turn yourself up your client. Turn plain simple text into turn kids bedtime stories into. Only 7 ways you can make money using MovieReelAI starting today. Now first, you can become the go-to animation study in your niche. Just 24 business result. Then you can become a video marketing agency owner. This you can create viral marketing videos. This example, you can launch a successful YouTube channel. This example, you can help local business stand out. This example, you can start a video production service. You can create content for multiple platforms. Now at $37 for most popular license. This is the perfect for if your business restaurant and cafe, yes, e-commerce and retail, manufacturing and industrial, sell animation service online, help real estate agency start a faceless bonus, 5 bigger bonus, 1 social media app, 2 graphic design app, 3 video creating app, 4 content graphics and similar bundle, 5 additional movie. If you any question this product or more details, please check my description box. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.